Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to loosen shoelaces easily. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As I said before, you want to loosen your shoelaces, this is the video for you. I'll be showing you how to do it easily. So let's say that you have your feet in your shoe, you have your foot in your shoe. You can't put 2 feet in one shoe as far as I know. But you have your foot in your shoe and the laces are just too tight and you're like, how do I loosen these things? Well, it's actually really easy to do. First and foremost, you want to undo the laces because, you can just pull outwards on the edges of the shoe here on the sides of the shoe, but it's going to be trapped because the laces are tied up. So what you need to do first and foremost is undo the lace. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to pull this. It's just a single knot. If you have a double knot, it's a bit more work, but undo the shoelaces. Then what you're going to do is you're going to feed the shoelaces back into the shoe. So when you're tightening shoelaces, you're going to pull these out. But when you're loosening them, you want to bring them back in. So I'm going to follow this lace from the outside here. And I'm going to go inside and I'm going to find it. It's right over here. I'm going to pull it in a little bit. So check this out. I'm going to pull this in a little bit. Watch what happens when I pull it in. This lace over here, as you can see, is getting shorter. Same thing with the other side. Loosen the other side to make it roughly even. Okay, now we have a lot of extra lace over here. All that we got to do is just disperse that throughout this. What you can do is you can go and manually just pull each lace just a little bit like that, working your way down the shoe, pulling the lace further and further down. Or you could just get a good grip of this and grab those laces on the side because you don't want it to be too loose. So I'm going to use my thumb to cover these laces and I'm just going to pull the shoe apart. And when I pull the shoe apart, it's going to start spreading that lace length amongst the rest of the shoe, which will therefore then furthermore, all those filler words, loosen the shoelaces. When you're done, and your shoe is a lot looser, as you can see it's a lot looser now, you can then retie the shoe. I'm going to just try and do this like this. You can just retie the shoe. I'm just going to do a very quick little knot. Like I said, obviously on the ground it will be a lot easier, but I'm just going to try and do it while I'm holding the shoe here against my sort of upper body area. If I can't do it, I can't do it, but obviously you're just going to tie those laces again, and obviously I can do it. Come on, guys, what do you think? You know I can do anything. Haven't you learned that by now? Thousands of videos deep. At this point, by the time you're seeing this, I probably have close to over 7,000 videos for sure. I'm filming this and I have about 6,500 released and I got another 800 that I filmed that are already ready to go scheduled out. So yeah, by the time you're seeing this, I'll be maybe close to 8,000 videos. So of course I can do it. Come on, don't ever doubt me. Anyways, that is how to loosen shoelaces easily, a step-by-step tutorial. If you like this video, instructional tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.